Hey everybody, Blaise here, and I'm really excited to let you guys know that we are doing another live web event coming up on October 10th. As you guys know, it's really hard to get together nowadays and do things in person, and so we've wanted to start doing more of these live web events. And so October 10th, we're doing our next one, and we're going to be doing it on my approach to animal drawing. This is something that I've really wanted to do for a long time. As a lot of you know, I've been drawing animals my whole life. I've been doing it much longer than my animation career. And over the years, I've been able to pick up a lot of different techniques that enable me to draw animals better. One of the things that I'm really excited about is that we're going to be sharing some of our videos from Africa that we shot back in October. Nick Birch, my business partner, and I. And we're going to be doing some live drawing from that. If you can't draw the animals from life, we can bring them into the studio, and so that's what we're going to do. But I'm also going to be talking about my approach to anatomy, how I draw animals when I'm drawing them from life and they're moving around, proportions, comparative anatomy, you know, our parts compared to their parts, all kinds of really cool stuff. This is an all-day course. It's going to be 6 hours. And I'm really excited to share it with you. So remember, October 10th, put it on your calendar. Go on over to creatureartteacher.com, check it out. Go put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.